Welcome back to the channel, Crypto Tro. I am Crypto Tro, bringing you the latest and the greatest in cryptocurrencies. And today we're going to talk about AVAX. And AVAX price has been tanking like crazy lately. Like, price is below $10. And a lot of people are saying some negative things about AVAX, and I'm going to be transparent. Price is tanking. We know about the future unlock of the AVAX coins that's going to happen very soon. So a lot of people been pretty much predicting a sellout for the AVAX crypto, but I'm going to give you some bullish things that's actually happening behind the scenes, and those are the things that you want to really pay attention to. Yes, you want to be even keel as far as knowing what's the good and the bad, but in my personal opinion, I believe the good outweighs the bad things that is currently happening for AVAX, and I believe it's super undervalued right now, under $10. So we're going to talk about that today. But before we do, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and turn on those notifications to keep updated on everything that's going on in the Avalanche blockchain. So let's look at price right now, man. Where are we at with it? AVAX crypto. So we can see price is currently at $9.16, and it is a red day. And I always say red days are buying days. You want to buy on those crazy dips. Now, it's not a big dip today. It's down less than 1%, but earlier in the week, actually yesterday, we saw price got all the way down to $8.90, and there was a tremendous buying opportunity, if I must say. Now, price might go down a little bit more just because we are still in a bear market. Bear markets are kind of vicious. We really don't know what's going to happen when these bear markets hit, but I love to see price right now at $9.16 because it is super undervalued. Now, market cap is at $3.2 billion, ranked 22 out of all the cryptocurrencies. And I think AVAX can be a top 10 crypto moving forward in the future just because of everything that they're doing. And we're going to talk about something that's very, very bullish going forward for the AVAX and Avalanche blockchain. Now, volume is up 44%, so volume is being pumped at $128 million, ranked 23, and that's a lot of money being pumped for Avalanche. I love to see that. We're in $100 million for the AVAX coin, and that's going to continue to pump, and I'm going to let you know why, man. We're going to talk about two things today that's very bullish. We're going to show some gaming on AVAX because if you watch my channel, you know I believe so much in crypto gaming. I believe crypto gaming will change the way gaming is done today. I do believe we have the opportunity in the future to own in-game assets, and if you don't know what I mean, just think about like Fortnite or whatever game you're playing, Call of Duty, Madden. You got these games that sell in-game items that, you know, once that game is done and they bring out the new game next year, that money is going to waste. But in crypto games, you actually own these items. So once, you know, you are done with them, you can actually sell them for profit in the future and get some money back, and you actually own these assets. And that's going to change the way we view gaming, and not only just gaming, but the entire ecosystem, just having that ownership, and that's what cryptos do for us. So we're going to look at this short little video real quick. It's the gameplay footage for Play Off the Grid. The gaming on AVAX team breaks down what they find exciting about the AAA title and its subnet powered by the Avalanche blockchain. So let's get into it.
Yeah, Doc. Is this your first time driving? Jeez, man, keep it straight.
Some new off-the-grid gameplay footage just dropped from Dr. Disrespect, Imperial Out, and Clicks. Outside of those huge names dropping this video, here are some of the stuff I noticed that I think is really interesting.
This game has a 60-hour narrative campaign and with 150 players on the island fighting each other.
60 hours of narrative campaign play. That's monumental when you compare it to Call of Duty, which I think has between 8 and 10 hours of gameplay, and up to 150 players on a map featuring PvP and PvE. It's going to be some epic warfare, and I think the scale of these size PvE, PvP battles is just going to redefine the intensity in gaming that we've truly been missing over the last couple of years.
We'll try to get above them.
The grappling hook feature is a game changer too. The ability to move horizontally, vertically, I mean, at any time and instantly, it's going to add a dynamic layer to all engagements.
Wow, the game looks absolutely gorgeous.
I'm also blown away by the attention to detail they have on every aspect of the game. When they're going through and leaving the bunker, the flashlight effects adds that entirely new level of realism that you really don't see. The way the movement is, I think, is fantastic. And it's not just the immediate surroundings. When you go into the map and just look around, you can tell they took an extreme level of detail. Even the buildings and foliage have an extraordinary level of detail. And it's evident that the team thought about both near and far to make the visuals in the world just amazing. And then the limb loss feature, I think, is groundbreaking too. It's really refreshing to see a game that's taking a step away from just the headshot meta.
Lost my arm. Oh, no. I gotta back up. Cover me.
This now is going to add a different layer of strategy where you can take out an arm, take out a leg, and every shot in every location matters. The character creation and customization, I think, is going to be cool too. Using what you extract to build a character loadout allows you to customize your own character as you go. That's like over 20 limbs have been announced with each with their own ability, and if that's just the start of the game on release, future updates are just going to make the game even more intense, and I can see this meta changing week to week or even day to day. And then, the ambush by Click Squad on Dr. Disrespect and Imperial Hal, I was dying. That was pure gold.
2 tanks are coming. There's like one big one and there's one small one. Let's ambush them. Going. Watch him.
I'm dead. I'm not dead yet.
The blending of the PvE, PvP elements is just keeps the game unpredictable, and it can change at any moment. It's going to create some amazing content for both players, streamers, and people who just like to watch gameplay. Overall, I think the game is just fantastic. I cannot wait to get my hands on it, to give it a try. And this level of detail and style of play is something I've been dying for a long time.
So we know Dr. Disrespect is a big gamer in the crypto space, not only the crypto space, but gaming in general. And this is going to be very, very huge, man. I'm telling you, this is not like the typical click to earn or play to earn type of crypto game. This is something that's an actual game that, we play on a system like PS5 or, Xbox or whatever the case may be. This is one of those type of games. So I can't wait until this game actually comes out and we see all of the ownership that you can do within the game and all these in-game assets that you will be able to own. Now, something else that I found very, very bullish for AVAX is the tokenization of assets. So I've been talking about this for a long time, and I always say everything will eventually be on some type of blockchain. Like ownerships of every asset will be on the blockchain because it will be easier to show if somebody owns it, such as if you have a house or a home. Now, those papers could get lost. You have to keep up with these type of titles in order to show that you own it. Well, if you put those assets on the blockchain secures it, and you always can go back to the blockchain to show your ownership in these specific things. So we see AVAX tweeted, crypto is a global phenomenon and bringing T-bills and other short duration products on chain opens opportunities to new markets. In a survey of 100 participants, non-U.S. residents were more likely to want to take advantage of these tokenized instruments. So let's look at, I'm not going to read this entire article, but I'm going to go over some of the key takeaways from this discussion. So recently, teams from both the crypto native and traditional finance services side of the spectrum have launched tokenized U.S. money market funds, T-bills, or comparable short duration projects or products rather. Some notable examples include offerings from Open Trade, OnDo, Superstate, and much, much more. As a BD team, we've met with 20 plus of these teams in the context of their deployment strategies and our mandate to drive the global growth and adoption of Avalanche. So this is going to be very, very big. So primarily, we want to more fully understand where respondents held funds on and off chain, if and how they thought about yield on cash/stablecoins, whether they wanted to access U.S. Treasury products on chain, if they were open to KYC processes, and whether and how better access to on-chain UST yields will alter their approach. So, like I said, you can read this blog post on the Avalanche blockchain. I'm not going to go over the entire thing, but this is going to be very, very big with the tokenization of things. Like I said, I do believe the future is tokenized assets, even stocks and real estate, cars, whatever asset that you believe. I think it's going to be, I believe so wholeheartedly, man, it's going to be on a blockchain. It might not be the near future, but it's going to happen in the future because it it's so much easier to show ownership of these said assets. So Crypto Tro, that's my video. Make sure you check out the Avalanche playlist, man. My Avalanche playlist. Check out all of my different other playlists talking about a variety of other cryptos. That's my video for today. I'm out of here.